Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and let's talk about getting some mobility and strength into your hips at the same time. So, first things first, get your shoes off. After that, what you're going to do is go into a nice push-up position and go into your deep lunge position as well. So from the side, that looks like this. So back leg out nice and straight, vertical shin here, and you're going to look to be stretching in this front hip. You should feel a stretch in the back leg as well, but you'll probably get more in the front hip. So, front hip, front leg. Here, you're going to start to open this up, okay? So keep your foot planted on the ground, and then you're going to actively try and push away. Try and open up from your own hip, open out that way, okay? So you're creating the range of motion from your hip. Don't think about driving your knee out, think about opening up from the hip, okay? Whenever you've done that, you want to think about squeezing your butt as hard as you can, okay? And try and grab the ground with your toes. So you're not just sort of rolling out here with this one. You can do this as well, but grab the ground with your toes and just imagine you're opening up your own hip like that. So think about prying the hip open and just hold that for a good, let's go for 20 seconds holding that position. Then on the other side of that, put your arm down beside the leg and then try and actually drive into your own arm. So here, squeeze in as much as you can. Again, hold that for 20 seconds and then change legs. So do that as like a mini circuit, okay? So it's here, keep the foot planted down on the ground, grab the ground with your toes, then open up as much as you can, squeeze your bum as hard as you can. Do both sides. You may even start to feel cramps anywhere. Just shake it off and just keep on going. And then the other side, squeeze in as hard as you can. So I'm trying to drive this knee in this way, but my arm's in the way, so I'm actually squeezing it in. Anytime you're squeezing something, squeeze it for a bit and then squeeze it harder. There's always a little bit more. So that's a nice little drill to open up your hips, but also put a bit of strength into it at the same time. So anytime you're sitting in a stretch, try and create a bit of tension in that stretch. Okay, guys?